Hey guys, in this video we're going to do a physical size comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now both these devices looks very similar. The size is almost identical. Now with the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it is slightly bigger by 1 millimeter, so it's just only bigger by 1 mil. But with the size right here, the bezel size, the actual Galaxy S21 Ultra is 1 mil bigger than the S20 Ultra. So if I place the two devices on top of one another, so I'm going to place the Galaxy S20 Ultra on top, and you can see here it looks very similar in size. You can't actually even tell. You may notice that the S20 Ultra is slightly bigger. Now if we have a look on the side here, we have the volume up key and the volume down key. Then we have the side button still staying in the same place. And if we go around to the bottom down here, this year we've got the SIM tray on the Ultra 21 or S21 Ultra. The SIM tray is now at the bottom right here next to the microphone. The charging port is still the same, it's USB-C. You got a loudspeaker over here on the right hand side. And if it goes to the left hand side, there's nothing, there's no buttons or nothing on the side. And if we go to the top, there is a microphone here at the top. There's two of them on the new S21 Ultra. On the S20 Ultra, there's only one microphone hole right there, and the SIM tray on the S21 is at the top. Okay, in terms of the SD card and the SIM card, the S20 Ultra comes with a SIM card and SD card slot. The SD card slot has been removed from your Galaxy S21 Ultra or the S21 series. So here I can pull out. The SIM tray is now only support or carry your SIM card only, so you do not have the SD card anymore with this SIM tray. And again, the SIM tray is still made of plastic. This always has been made of plastics since the first release. So there it is. I'm gonna put it back in, and here we're going to put it at the top. Okay, so that is the side. Now at the top here there is a camera on both devices. Both cameras are pretty much the same, even in terms of spec. It has the same camera resolution size for both devices. So if we go into the back, you can see at the back here now there is a new design at the camera compartments. So over here on the S Galaxy 21, the camera compartments, the bezel here now blend into the side bezel, so it is as if it is in one piece. Whereas on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, there is a separate compartment or separate section for the camera lens around here. Now another things to notice is the cameras is different in terms of pixel size. There is some changes to the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and also at the top here you can see now there is a laser focus, autofocus. So there is a laser autofocus, and with the previous model, the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it has a face detection autofocus. So that is the two differences between the two. Plus some of the megapixel has been reduced on the S21 Ultra. Now just because it has been reduced doesn't mean it's not better. We need to take some photos and test between the two, but I'm pretty sure the cameras on the S21 Ultra is going to be better than the S20 Ultra. And so at the bottom here, I'm just going to peel this one out. We can see there is a Samsung logo at the bottom. So what about this one here? Now there is a Samsung logo, and there is also a Samsung logo over here. It is more visible on the S20 and S21 Ultra. It is it's darker in a shiny black right here, and this is more kind of a gray color. Now also on the back here, it is made of glass. It feels like and sound like plastic, but it's actually made of glass. The glass is actually matted and not gloss like this one here. This one here I still have the film protector on, and it is made of a glossy glass back. This glass here is Gorilla version 6 on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, whereas on the S21 Ultra it is made of Gorilla Glass Victus. So it meant to be better than the previous version. And so that is a physical side comparison between the two devices, guys. It's just only a physical comparison, just so you guys can see what it looks like holding them side by side. And you can see here, one is from last year's model. They both released almost at the same time this year. The S21 Ultra come out a month earlier. And that's it. So which one do you guys like better? With this camera compartment is blending into the bezel, and it looks like as if it is in one piece. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.